So hi guys, this is going to be a Valentine's Day slash spring just me playing in clothes. I want to bring back fun YouTube videos that are not so serious, and I feel like lookbooks are kind of serious, so I want to just show you guys how I come up with my outfits and just play in my clothes. Shein sent me some new items, so I'm going to style them and show you what I think is wrong with them and how am I going to fix it and how I would hide it, stuff like that. I'm just playing in my clothes and seeing outfits that I like. I've come to the realization now that there's just certain things I like and certain things that fit my body type, and I'm just leaning into them more instead of exploring all over the place with trends and stuff. I'm leaning into the things that I like. So I like maxi skirts. I like skirts period, but they have to be like a midi length or maxi length. I love pants like this. So I have a lot of pants like this now. I'm just leaning into the things that I love and trying to hone in and define my style completely. I've come to the realization that I am a elevated casual type of girl for every day, but when it's time to pop out to go somewhere special, I like to do that too. But on an everyday basis, I'm leaning into the things that I love, and I'm making sure that I'm wearing my pieces. So enough of me blabbing, let's get into the clothes. So this is the first outfit. The top is from Shein. It's new and I love the gold detail. I have another top like this, but it doesn't have the extra button, so they put an extra button in here and I love that. It's really cinching your waist in and it's giving you a great silhouette. I love the texture of the shirt. I love how it looks. The shoulder pads. I am self-conscious about my shoulders, especially since going to the gym, but I love things like this. Instead of hiding my shoulders or try to hide them, I am bringing attention to it and it looks amazing. It's also giving the outfit a lot of shape with the way it's cut. And then I got this tote bag, which is also new from Shein, and I don't know if this is cheetah or leopard. I'm gonna say this is cheetah print, and cheetah print is very much in. And then I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite pair of glasses. These are from Lorvay's. Lorvay's having an end of year sale, so if you're interested, go check them out. And then this shoes is also from Shein. As you can see, one of the things came off. I need to glue it back on, but this is a ballet flat. I love a good ballet flat, and ever since I bought these, I think I'm going to invest in more pair because they're super easy to style and super easy to wear, and I'm in my comfortable era. I want to be cute and comfortable. So yeah, and I feel like the print kind of go together. So the full fit is from Shein with the exception of the glasses, and I feel like this is a chic casual look that anybody could wear, anybody could put on. So, and I would definitely accessorize and put on jewelry and stuff, but for now I'm just doing bases of outfits. And something about me that I think that is super unique, I come up with my outfits solely in my head, and then sometimes I try them on and then they don't turn out good. So I don't know if that's gonna happen in here, because all of the outfits that I've picked so far, I've picked them out in my head. So, and this wouldn't be a video without a all black outfit. If you guys didn't know, black and red are my favorite colors. So yeah, this is the fit. So the glasses is Lorvay. top is Shein, skirt is Shein, shoes is Shein, and my bag is also Shein. I feel like the orange in the glasses just add a cute little pop of color, and it just ties the whole look together. Said I'm leaning into the things that I like, and I added some earrings. I definitely wouldn't add any necklace to this top because I feel like the top is given. It doesn't need any more accessorization. You can keep it simple. And then the top is from Shein. The pants are from a black collab on Amazon, signed by Blake on Instagram. The heels are also from Shein, and I put these on because they're comfortable, they're not too high, and I feel like they go. But here is the dilemma for me personally, is accessories, because your accessories can make and break your outfit. So I don't know if I love this. So this Sunnies with this gold purse. I think this purse is either from Amazon or Shein. I'm not quite sure. So what do you guys think about these accessories? Or I could switch the bag out to this one, the same one that I just got. I feel like it looks cute. And the yellow lenses, these actually have a yellow tint, so I feel like they go well with the pants. Or I can switch those out for these brown ombre ones that I have. What do you guys think? I'm going to brunch with the girls. I love where this pants hits. It hits right at the perfect place to show the heels. I absolutely love that. And it's also covering my heel a bit. So I love that. Let me look at them. Honestly, after looking in the big mirror, I feel like this is my favorite look. The ombre brown glasses with this, because I'm just a casual girly and I have kids and I need the space, okay? I need to have a nice comfortable size bag. So yeah. So this is the next outfit, and for me personally, the dilemma is always going to be accessories, because baby, my accessories eat. So the glasses is Lorve, black owned brand. Glasses is Lorve, bag is from a black owned brand. Also the jacket is Shein, top is Shein, pants is Manière d'Ivoire. My heels are from Amazon. It is one of those kitten heel things. It has gold accessories, so I kept in my gold earrings, and also my Lorve sign right here is gold. So yeah, this is the next fit. I guess because Florida was so cold, I got a lot of sweaters and stuff because I've never seen Florida this cold. But this is the fit. This is one fit. that can be that glasses, or I can go into the dusty blue. And this glass is actually from Temu when I did my collab with them. And I'm gonna switch out these heels for these flats, and these are actually from Shein. I don't know why I'm having a break for it. Is the next fit. The top is from Shein. Like I said, I ordered these stuff when it was a bit chilly in Florida, so I'm trying to mix and match and make sure the girls have looks. Okay, I got this in an extra large. I don't know why. I should have gotten it in a large because it's super oversized. I may have wanted it in an extra large for this to be super oversized, but the top is super big. I feel like the top needs to be taken in, but since I have it, I'm gonna wear it. And I'm just gonna open the zip, fold down the neck, wear it like this. The skirt is Zara. The shoes are from Pretty Little Thing. You guys have seen these red shoes forever. I've been wearing them since I got them. I wear my stuff. I'm not into overconsumption, super overconsumption, especially nowadays and everything that's going on. So that's why y'all don't see me posting hauls and stuff as I used to. And I'm just gonna pair this bag with it. This bag is actually from Shein. I'm just gonna hold it like this. So the top is from Shein, the skirt is from Zara. I think I gained a few pounds because this never used to be this tight on me. And then the shoes are from Pretty Little Thing. And this is how it looks. I'm sure it's super short in the back. And I feel like this is perfect for Valentine's Day. It's like a perfect Valentine's Day fit with the color blocking with the pink and red. So yeah. And if the skirt is too short for your liking, I feel like you could just add some red tights or some pink tights, and it will look super cute, super girly also. Maybe a mini is not your stuff. Okay, maybe you're not into mini skirts. So I got this dress. This is actually a dress. I think it's a dress, and I turned it into a skirt and paired it with this same top. And I'm going to show you guys different ways I would pair both of these things together, because I feel like the skirt can be a dress and also be a skirt. So I feel like this is cute too, and I love the fact that it's sheer, because this material on top is kind of heavy and hot. The top is Shein, the skirt is Shein, the shoes is Shein, and my bag is Telfeezy. And I'm gonna show you guys something. So I'm gonna just take this off. Probably wear it like this, but as you guys can see, my undies are showing. I feel like this would be sexy and cute for a night in with your man, and just put on some like red thongs. And I feel like this is another cute fit. I feel like we're playing with textures here, or you could even go as far as tucking this in. We're just playing. We're just playing. So tell me how you guys like it. Do you like the skirt underneath the dress, or do you like it over the dress? Quite frankly, I think I like it underneath the dress better. I also got this dress, but it's super big. I'm gonna have to give it away or something. I got it in a large, and it's a super dope, sexy dress. I'll put a picture of it, and it's actually from Misguided on Shein. I'll put a picture of it somewhere here. Definitely size down. It's made of a really stretchy material. It is double lined, which I love, but it's super big, so I'm gonna have to give this away. So yeah, I'm gonna have one more item that I have to show you guys. So I hope y'all didn't think I was gonna leave without giving you guys a pop-out outfit. And I feel like this is my pop-out outfit. If you're going to Valentine's Day, if you're going out with the girls, if you're going out with your man, if you're going out clubbing, or if you're going looking for an, I feel like this is my pop-out outfit. So the purse is from Shein. I feel like it goes perfectly with my dress. The dress is from Fashion Nova. And then my heels are from Ego Official. And yeah. Pray for somebody's son. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.